How to tackle heartburn? For many people, all it takes is eating that one extra donut or going to bed on a very full stomach that causes heartburn. An uncomfortable burning sensation creeps into the throat or chest, and it doesn't go away until you take some antacid. Almost everyone experiences occasional heartburn or acid reflux, regurgitation of stomach fluid. Cause for worry. If you have two or more heartburn or acid reflux episodes every week, or if the attacks interfere with your life and keep you awake at night, you should see your doctor. You may have gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, and it's not something you should ignore. In rare cases, GERD can be a precursor to esophageal cancer. What is GERD? GERD is a condition in which acid that belongs in your stomach backs up into your food pipe or esophagus. It happens when a sphincter muscle at the base of the esophagus relaxes at the wrong time. Normally, this muscle releases when you swallow to let food and liquid enter your stomach and then closes again. In people who have GERD, the muscle is weakened and it stays open when it should close. Stomach acid flows backwards into the esophagus. The stomach lining is designed to handle this acid, but the esophagus is not. The acid irritates and inflames the lining of the esophagus, causing a burning sensation. Getting a diagnosis. If you think you may have GERD, it's important to get a diagnosis from your doctor since the disease can be confused with other conditions. In addition to heartburn and acid reflux, symptoms of GERD include a sour taste in your mouth, a dry cough or hoarseness, a sore throat and chest pain. Here's how to tackle GERD. Watch your weight. If your weight is within the normal range, you are less likely to develop GERD. So stay vigilant about keeping extra pounds from creeping on. If you are overweight, lose the extra pounds. Avoid trigger foods. Certain foods weaken the sphincter muscle at the base of the esophagus and also irritate the lining of the esophagus. If you have GERD, notice which foods trigger your symptoms and stay away from them. Common trigger foods include tomatoes and citrus fruits, fatty or fried foods, tea, coffee and other caffeinated beverages, chocolate, alcohol, mint, garlic, onions and spicy foods. Go easy at mealtime. Don't stuff yourself. Eat smaller meals so your stomach isn't filled to the brim, and wait at least 3 hours before lying down after a meal. Stomach acid can flow into the esophagus more easily when you lie down. For the same reason, sleeping with the head end of your bed elevated can help relieve nighttime symptoms. Quit smoking. If you smoke, stop. Smoking can impair the functioning of the esophagus sphincter muscle and increase your risk of GERD. For more interesting videos, subscribe to Speaking Tree YouTube channel.